guys, it's me, Misty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another makeup video featuring natural looking makeup, perfect for day look. So let's start! Again, today we're going to do a very simple makeup look na pwede nating gamitin on a daily basis and during daytime. So hindi tayo sa makapal na look today. So for starters, let's do our foundation. I'm going to just wet the sponge a bit and apply the foundie. So as you can see, meron pa akong mga sumpa. I actually started another skincare, pero that's for another video. I'm documenting the process, the changes na nangyayari sa skin ko dun sa aking bagong skincare routine. I'll be sharing that with you guys for like after a month maybe. So for now, pagtiyagaan nyo muna yan, mga sumpa na yan. And hopefully the skincare routine works, and in the next on my next succeeding videos, makikita nyo yung improvement ng skin, and I can share with you guys the routine, so maybe you can try it for yourselves too. So yan, foundation lang tayo. Ginamit ko lang itong Maybelline Fit Me. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all safe. And yeah, sa mga unfortunate naman na hindi nakaiwas sa virus like me previously, I hope you guys are coping well and on the road to recovery. And for those of you guys who have loved ones, family members, or friends na hindi nakaligtas dahil sa virus na yan, I'm very sorry for you guys. I know that this pandemic has been a burden to everyone. So, yun. Just, kahit na nafe-feel nyo na nagiging safe na, don't be too sure. So, follow the protocols. Wear your mask all the time. Wash your hands. Social distancing. Iwas sa mga public places if possible. Ayun. So, yun. Protect yourselves, and of course, don't forget to pray. Kasi kahit naman anong gawin natin, diba? Hindi pa rin 100% tayo makakaiwas. So, pray, pray, pray na malagpasan na ng mundo ang delubyo talaga. Delubyo or itong pagsubok na ito. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo, sa lahat ng mga videos ko, hindi pa ako nakakapag full coverage kasi I'm into not changing your look or your faces or the way you look. It's just like enhancing what we already have, making it more beautiful but not changing it entirely. Yeah, we have to be proud of who we are and love ourselves because you are already beautiful. So lagyan lang natin ng konting concealer para hindi naman nakakasagabal. Just a little bit. Ayan. That's enough. I'm going after a natural looking makeup today, so that's fine with me. Okay, let's do our kilay. Miss Lean Intense Liner. Maglagay tayo ng blush. So, natural looking tayo. We'll go with the liquid blush. Mislean Rich Color Gloss. Ayan. In the shade 183. Hindi in sequence ang pagvi-video ko today, so no. Tignan niyo, sabi ko sa inyo hindi in sequence eh. Magli-lip line tayo. Smooth lip liner in number 56. Same brand din, Mislean. Kung gusto ko pang mala Kardashian, pwede ko pa rin ilagpas, pero today, natural makeup look lang tayo. I will use the gloss now. This is just for the purpose of this video, pero ngayon hindi practical mag-gloss na lipstick kasi nga lagi tayo naka-mask. And of course, your lipstick will just be absorbed by the mask. Baka pagtanggal nyo ng mask nyo, sabog-sabog na rin ang mga pigment ng lipstick sa inyong mukha, sa nguso nyo dito around your lips. So, it's much better to stick with matte lipstick or lip stain these days. Let's do our eyeshadow. Discount Center palette. I'll use this brown and this parang mauve pa, hindi, parang mocha. So, yung dalawa na yan, i-mix ko siya. Okay. That's for eye makeup. I'm going to put on liner. Mag-liner tayo. May tayo ng brown liner, also by Mislean. Curl our lashes. Mascara. Let's put on some highlight and bronzer. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's do some bronzer. I'm going to use some highlighter. A bit of a nose contour, just a bit, tiny bit. Ganyan lang, lips lang. Kasi ano lang tayo, light makeup. Ganyan lang. Parang wala lang. And I'm going to do some breathing. So now that we're done with that, I'll just add that highlighter here. Some powder here kung saan ako madalas pawisan, just a bit here. Gusto natin ayusin ating kilay. I'm going to use, of course, Pink Sugar's Honey and Good. Add a bit of liner. that's a wrap, guys. I hope you like this look and I hope you learned something new. I really recommend this kind of makeup for those of you who are beginners and for those of you who doesn't have too much time to put on their makeup. It's something very basic, something very easy and very quick. You can easily finish it in no time at all. So apart from the glossy lips, which is not really recommended right now and these days because we are always using our mask, and of course the lipstick product will just be transferred on your mask, I recommend using matte lipstick instead, or your lip stain or your lip tints. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and for those of you who haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get the latest on my video uploads. Again, this is me, Miss Tina, nag-iiwan ng mga salitang, you are already beautiful just the way you are. And always remember, no matter what you're going through, life is terrific. So keep smiling. Ciao!